welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2018 Porsche 911 GT2 RS. This car came with a clean CARFAX. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. You see some wear and tear on this lip down here. There's a little bit of scratches. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. The hood is in good condition. Let's move on to the driver, fender, and wheel. This fender has no dents or scratches, and the wheel has no curb rail. Let's take a look at the driver's door. Not seeing any scratches on this door at all, no dents, it's fine. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rails. Let's move on to the back of the car. Okay, the spoiler has no scratches at all, and the back bumper looks good as well. Let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. Everything here looks fine, no dents, no scratches, and the wheel has no curb rails. Let's take a look at the passenger door. Not seeing any scratches on this door or no dents. Now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rails. Of this car is in good condition. Now let's have a look inside. Okay, the driver's side is in good condition. Let's have a look at the passenger side. Passenger side looks good. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. Let's start off with the center console. Perfect. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel looks perfect as well. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Let's have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.